This car? Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car.
I came in with this stuff, and you can ask the people at the front.
Right now, you almost backed into my car. So just pull it in, park it, and get out of the car.
Okay.
We'll figure that out. Okay?
Okay, there's two ladies at the front.
Pull it in and park it, we'll figure it out.
I came in with the stuff.
Okay, pull it in and park it, we'll figure it out.
Okay. My son's in surgery right now, and I have to go.
That's great. Pull it in and park it, we'll figure it out.
Okay, the Orlando Surgery Center.
That's okay. Pull your car in and park it, we'll figure it out.
I came in with, you can even ask the auto, I came in with the
I'm 10-5 with the subject. We'll figure it out between me and you and the loss prevention officer here, right? Alright?
Okay, well everything was left right there. I was coming out to get my wallet.
Okay, we'll figure it out. I promise we'll figure it out.
Time.
Right now we're making time, because he just said you shoplifted.
I didn't shoplift, but I came right here. I put the stuff right here at the door. It wasn't even past pointing a sale.
We will figure it out. I haven't got his story yet. I have to hear your story. I have to hear his. Right now, he's saying you committed a crime.
Can you take my number?
No.
Please?
No. Park your car. Get out of your car.
I have to get to my son, sir. Or ma'am.
Park your car. Okay. Turn your keys off. Put on the dashboard. You're detained currently. You could be in because I'm detaining you.
How?
Because he's accusing you of a crime and you left.
I'm
not arguing with you. I'm being nice.
He just, the auto guy just said I came in with a garbage bag. He just confirmed that.
Okay.
There's merchandise in the other book bag also that's unpaid for. There's merchandise that you left the last one sale.
Okay.
No.
We're not arguing. We're not arguing. I'm being nice and not putting you in handcuffs right now.
Right.
So kindly turn your vehicle off. And we'll figure it out. I will talk to him. I will talk to you. But right now, he's saying a crime committed. So you're detained by me based on his statement to us and to the 911 operator.
So how am I being detained if I left my stuff right there? I was getting ready to get an oil change.
That's not an argument I'm going to make. Okay? I need you to turn your vehicle off and come out with me. We'll go inside and we'll figure it out. And if it is just a misunderstanding, you'll be good to go. Okay?
So how long is this going to take?
As long as it takes. I'll get it done as soon as I can. Okay? 303 to 302. I'll be over at the fire center. Hop out the car. You might want to roll your window up.
Can I call somebody to tell them because my son is in surgery?
Sure. Right now, hop out of the vehicle with your information, including your phone, and we can call them on the way in. Okay? If the faster we do this, the faster you can get out of here.
Okay, but
so if we multitask, we can get this done faster.
Okay.
All right? So let's park the car. As we're walking in, you can call somebody. Does that work?
I don't understand it. All the merchandise is right there.
I've explained it like 5 times.
Malcolm just came and said that I walked in with the heart.
Get out of the car. Unlock the car and get out of the car right now.
Okay, but they just saw
Turn
me with
off the car,
merchandise.
unlock the door, and get out of the car right now. You are under arrest.
How am I under arrest?
For stealing.
For stealing?
Shoplifting.
I stopped with the stuff right there to come
That is
out to
past
the
all
car.
points of sale. Get out of the vehicle right now.
How is that out points
I'm
of
done
sale
arguing
when
with
I
you.
put the stuff right there?
I'm done arguing with you. Turn off the car and get out of the vehicle now. You are under arrest.
I have my son who just had surgery.
Okay.
I just had my son who had surgery.
Turn off.
Don't.
Stop resisting.
Stop. I'm not resisting.
You are resisting.
I'm not.
Get out of the vehicle right now.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Get out of the car.
I'm not resisting.
Out of the car now. Let's go.
You're going to catch a charge if you just get out of the car.
I don't understand why.
Get out of the car.
We're not talking about it anymore.
Okay,
Get out of the
no.
car. Get out.
I'm rolling my window up. That's it. I'm just
We
rolling
will
my
do
window
that
up.
for you in a minute.
I'm rolling my window up. That's it.
Take the key out of the ignition.
I'm just rolling my window up. Roll the window up for me.
Get out of the
That's
car.
it. That's
We
it.
will.
Just
Get
roll
out of the
window
car.
up.
Nope.
Just roll the window up for me. That's
Get
all I'm
out of
I
the
asking
will
car.
roll it up.
for.
I will roll it up. I promise.
Okay, roll it up now.
Get out of the
please.
car.
Slap out the car. We'll roll it up.
Okay, roll it up now, please.
Get out of the car.
Okay. That's all I'm asking is to roll up the window. Please. Jesus Christ.
Face the vehicle. Face the vehicle. Face the vehicle. Don't resist.
I'm not resisting, but come on now. This is ridiculous.
302, we're fighting one.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Stop. Stop. I didn't even do anything. All the merchandise is right there.
Put your hands
My-
behind your back.
Put your hands behind your
or
back
you're
now.
gonna be tased.
My son.
You want to get tased?
My son is at. Can I call? Please.
No. We're past that.
Please. 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 Can I call? Please.
No.
Please. Can I call, please? Can I call, please? Can I call my
No,
son,
you cannot.
please? He just got out of surgery, please. That's all I'm asking. Please.
Stop.
Please.
We will call, but you need to stop resisting.
I'm
You're
not
gonna get tased.
resisting.
You're gonna get tased.
I'm not resisting, but can you please call my son? Please.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. We're past that. Put your hand behind your back now.
Can I call my son?
Put your hands behind your back now.
That's all I'm asking is to call my son.
No. We're past that.
What do you mean you're past that?
Because you resisted about 45 times.
I'm asking to call my son. He's 4 years old. Please. Please. You're hurting me. Please. All I need to do is call my son. Please.
Come on, Nene. Give me this one.
Please. Please. Can I call my
Let go
son?
of your belt loop.
Can I call my son, please?
Want to get tased? Do you want to get tased? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tased, yes or no?
Call my son. That's it. And you guys aren't letting me call my
Let go
son.
of your belt loop.
Please?
Yeah.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Oh, man.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
You guys are doing all this because with the stuff in your
Yes.
eye?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you doing this?
Put your
Because
hands
you
back.
are under arrest. Put your hands behind your
Why
back.
am I under arrest?
For shoplifting. Put your
I
hands.
didn't shoplift.
Put your hands behind your back now or I'm going to tase you.
I did not shoplift. I did not shoplift.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay. Can I get up now?
Nope. We're still figuring this out. You said do it this way. Don't scratch me.
Stop moving.
You have me handcuffed.
Alright, are you going to cooperate now?
Yes. I just want to call my son. He is in surgery, please.
Sit up.
I can't sit up. Can you help me up?
Roll this
Bend
way.
your knee.
Roll this way. Bend your knee.
And then roll backwards.
This way. You go. Now tuck this knee under.
Tuck this knee under how? I have an AC joint dislocation. I was just in a car accident. Can you help me up?
No, stay
Are
sitting.
you done?
Yes. Can you help me up, please?
Give
Just
us
stay
1 second.
sitting for a minute.
Get your taser cartridge.
Yeah, I got it. We're at the tire center. See our lights.
Oh, so you don't need double cuffs. You're just being difficult. Okay.
No, I do because this is a dislocated shoulder right here.
Alright.
Please. I need to get to my son, please.
No, that's not happening. You're going to the Seminole County Jail.
Huh?
You're going to jail.
Why am I going to jail?
I'm not talking to you anymore.
Huh?
You keep asking why you're going to jail. You're under arrest for shoplifting. You're going to the Seminole County Jail. Now you have a resisting charge.
That's mine. They saw me.
Hold up. She was pulling
I
out.
did not
I parked
go.
there. She almost
I
hit me.
did not go to.
And she said there was
shoplift.
stuff that was inside, and then that book bag apparently is also involved, possibly.
I did not
Okay.
go. I don't understand.
I can't help you that you don't understand. I've explained it to you several times. You're under arrest for shoplifting. You're going to jail. You're also being charged with resisting. All right? So I'm done explaining that to you. You are going to the Seminole County Jail.
I'm not resisting.
You were.
I'm resisting because
I gave you several lawful orders and you did not obey any of them.
And I left everything at the door.
Do you want fraud to transport so I can just get the paperwork?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Can I please call my son?
No. Hey, take that out of your hands.
My son is 4 years old.
That's
please.
too bad.
You can call him from the jail.
Yeah, that's too bad. You can call them from the jail. They get free calls there.
We're going to stand you up. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe if you didn't fight them, they probably would have given you that call. But,
Oh, we tried.
I wasn't trying. Please just call this number for me.
Not right
It's
now.
my son.
End of discussion, not right now.
Please, sir.
Follow me. Let's go. No, we'll get your shoes later. We'll get your shoes later.
Can I? It's hot.
Come on.
It's hot.
We're past that.
Can I get my purse?
Not right now.
Now, let me tell you something. If you resist Officer Johnson while she's searching you, I'm going to charge you with 2 counts of battery LEO. Do you understand? You can
Oh
put
no,
it
we
right
already got
against
2
it.
counts.
Right here.
We're going for 3. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Clean up on the car,
I
spread your feet
can't. My
apart.
feet are hot right now.
Spread your feet apart.
Spread your feet.
How do I get 2 counts of arrest?
Face the car because you are resisting. 2 officers.
My feet
Right
are
there.
hot right now.
Spread your feet apart.
Spread your
Spread
feet.
them apart.
Spread your feet. Get in the car.
Can I please call my son?
Get in the
Not
car.
right now.
They don't have securities and all that. Please, I have.
Move your
Put
foot.
your foot inside the car.
He's 4 years
Put your
old.
foot inside the car.
Put your foot in the car.
Please.
So the little container in your purse that says stash that has a,
My friend bought me that.
it's got a white powder in it. What's the powder? Well, just so you know, any prescription medication needs to stay in those prescription bottles, even when you're on trips.
Because with the thing that says stash on it, it's definitely not the best look.
Grand theft.
Grand theft. Oh,
Hey, what's up with the grand theft? Is that shoplifting or is that something else? Yeah, is that shoplifting or something else? Okay.
I was just literally trying to make a call. That's all I was trying to do was make a call. I have a
Do you want your mask up?
son who just had surgery. Please.
Hey,
Where is your kid right now?
hold on 1 second.
So,
With who?
with my friend Vicky.
Do you know Vicky's number off the top of your head?
What hotel is it?
In my,
why you keep, if you're on probation for shoplifting, girl, why you keep shoplifting?
I wasn't trying to shoplift.
You weren't trying to shoplift. What do you call, even it, let's just say for giggles that you didn't, alright? That you said you left everything at his feet and then walked away before point of sale. What do you call that? Even if it was before point of sale, what are we going to call that? Almost shoplifting?
How was that considered shoplifting?
Well, what would you call that?
Battery on a Leo when I wasn't even trying to fight, when all I was trying to do was put my window up on my car.
Correct. You got to put your. But when we tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car now. We don't.
I put the car in park. I listened to everything they said. Listen, I'm the CI. I work for the Ocala Sheriff's Department.
Okay, I don't understand how that's gonna help you out.
I'm trying to get fentanyl off the streets of this world, okay?
You also tried shoplifting too. Just don't work that way. We do have body cameras and everything, right? So everything has been recorded.
And they kept trying to straighten my arm behind me. I just was in a car accident by a drunk driver. I have an AC joint dislocation on my shoulder.
Did you tell them that before they tried to arrest you?
I told them that they had me on the floor and out of the car.
Well, why didn't you get out of the car when they told you to in the first
I was
place?
parking my car and trying to put my window up.
Okay.
Nothing that happened before until we told you to get out the car, you're in trouble for. Once we said get out the car like 15 times and you weren't getting out the car. And then you rolled the window up on our hands.
My window up.
And then you wouldn't put your hands behind your back. Like that's where the issue came in.
Because I knew then you guys wouldn't let me call my son.
I told you, you know just as well as I do. I said like 15 times, just pull it in. We'll call it. We'll figure it out. And then it came to the point where you weren't listening to us.
I work with Marion County Sheriff's Department. Like,
At some point, you got to trust us because you would have just gotten the shoplifting, which is, I mean, an issue because you got like 15 of them. But it wouldn't be these assault charges on Leo and stuff like that. Like you took it from one place and took it to another one. All right. So like, the point what's done is done. You just gotta move forward past that.
Please don't put those on me.
That's not my decision. The other officer that's with me is my boss. He decides what charges get filed.
I was not. I thought you guys tasered me. I was not even resisting. Like, you guys had me on the floor. My hands were already behind my back.
I'm not going to argue with you about it, okay? It is what it is. We got to the point, but you're not listening to us. That's what happened, okay? I'll ask them about your phone call. Hopefully we can get that call out. Just let them know where you are so your son's taken care of, okay? I mean, I watched the video. It looked like you were walking straight out the door with all the appliances.
No, I was stopping at the door. Until he came there, I put everything on the side, and I said, I'm trying to go get my other card out the car.
Okay.
They knew me. I was trying to get it.
All right. So what about your book bag? What was in your book bag that was in the vehicle?
The book bag in the vehicle.
The blenders that were in your book bag that were in the vehicle.
Those were going to get paid for. I mean, those were $50. I'll pay for them right now. Those are nothing. But the book bag was mine. The heart bag, you guys kept saying I stole the heart bag.
The heart bag is in your vehicle, and the book bag is in your vehicle. But the problem is, you had merchandise in the vehicle that was in your book bag.
And I'm an honest person. I was going to things back,
Okay,
but you guys were saying
I'm not gonna debate
I stole the heart stuff, which you clearly saw.
I never said that.
The heart stuff.
I never said that. All right. So I will ask about your phone call. We'll figure it out past that. Okay.
Police recovered stolen items valued at approximately $1,400 and charged the suspect with multiple crimes, including grand theft. She ended up pleading no contest to resisting without violence and grand theft and was sentenced to 24 months of probation,